got a speech to talk about my testimony about FKCCI Manthan. So here I am. It's still a wonderful experience for me to talk about Manthan because I was just 19 when I came here with no hope to start a venture of my own to talk about business because I happen to come from a law school. And talking about law school, we all have that one sense of urgency to make something happen, right? Be it your course sessions or be it your academics or be it whatnot, right? And coming from a law school in a university in Bangalore, I happen to not have any exposure or mentorship in business. And FKCCA was the second business competition which I came and which was the most beautiful thing that happened to me in my teenage. And to talk about my testimony about FKCCA Manthan, I honestly believe that every student who is aspiring to start something in his teens or in his college life should come to Manthan and should take part in Manthan because I had over hundreds of participants who were fighting for the positions and I had everybody talking about what to do and what not to do and I was so clueless being in a law school. And talking about my testimony about Manthan, the only thing which I want to tell you all is that if a law student can start something and do something in his life, anybody can start and do something in his life. And to give a brief about my startup, it's a kind of a taboo or a negative story, but it came out this beautiful. To talk about my story of Manthan, it happened way back in 2018. So I honestly believe that people's bad experiences give out opportunities. And every bad experience is a business opportunity that was stolen from my mentors in Manthan. And one such bad experience in my life was my grandma's death. So I lost my grandma in 2018 April, and though I was a Bangalorean, though I had all that means to get the best possible rights for her last days, I couldn't get the services, nor I could the logistics, nor I could even afford to have that contacts or the connects to make an ambulance come to my doorstep to pick her last remains on time. That made me think, when we have the whole of startup ecosystem in a country fighting for every goddamn thing about living people, be it to make your food come on time, be it to make your school come on time, be it to be to make as simple as your everything come on time. Why can't we make death come on time or death be beautified? And that was the whole idea of Last Triple, which is my baby or which is my only girlfriend which I go to every single day. To talk about Last Triple, we tried to make something happen which never happened in the Indian startup culture. To change a taboo called death to a beautified event called afterlife. So what happened is, I read an article way back in 2018 which was published on Facebook from an Italian company called Capsula Mundi. And the article read like this, I quote, plant a tree for every death to make death beautiful and to make death forever in a green form of life, unquote. So that was fascinating. And I still remember I was traveling from Majestic to Hebbal in the BMTC bus. Fortunately, I got a window seat that day. I happened to read the whole article with peace and I was fascinated. And then next day I went and told my friends that, listen, I am starting something in this field of funeral logistics. And the whole law school laughed. And the whole of my friend circle laughed. And my professors asked me about it. Being from law school, talking about business was never happening. And then I went to my professors in my university in the business sector. Again, they had a very, very flawed perspective about what I thought because every idea is your own baby, right? So this is my first lesson which I want to share to all of you. Never, ever, ever talk about your ideas to friends and family because they are stupid and they would never be encouraging your ideas because they are always stupid. I repeat it. So, second thing which I learned the same day was this one thing called never let your approaches go down, because I somehow found a roadmap to talk about my idea in my law school because we fortunately had economics. So economics was very fascinating for me, and there's a concept called tragedy of commons. Anybody here who knows tragedy of commons as an economic concept can raise their hands. Tragedy of commons as an economic concept. Okay. Economics is horrible in this country. Anyways, so talking about tragedy of commons is something wherein the common public uses public property for their own benefit and they exploit public property. So to give an example, if I have a lake, the common public will use the lake for their own benefit and they will kill the lake, right? I connected this to Bangalore's tree cover. So Bangalore had lakhs and lakhs of trees which made Bangalore the beautiful garden city, right? But lately, this garden city of ours became a jungle filled with startups, the Silicon Valley exposure, right? So my project was, what if we privatize greenery in Bangalore? And that was the whole idea. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, talking about that idea, so my whole agenda was to make sure that what if we plant a tree for every death from the cremated remains of the beloved, so that every tree planted will be a testimony for the family, so that family will privatize that memory and they'll care for the tree just like their baby. So the idea was to plant a tree and privatize that tree for the family, so that every family will have a memory tree to care for, and every memory tree would be a privatization of greenery, and eventually we will have a beautiful forest with memory trees and not a graveyard filled with tombstones, and that is last triple for all of you. And FKCCI made this happen. I fortunately won the competition in 2019, and I still remember I was just sitting here with the beautiful dignitaries, okay, sorry for that, on this podium to talk about how beautiful was last triple. And today, it's been 2 years of our journey, and I'm a very proud believer of Last Triple. And to talk about where Last Triple is, from a small idea of a student from a law school starting Last Triple, today Last Triple is in 3 countries, in India, Netherlands and Singapore, with branches of volunteers in across 16 states in our country, with over 1 lakh testimonies of Last Triple among pet families across the country, and we have amazing testimonies happening every single day. And the proudest note for Last Triple is, even today, this morning, we had a testimony with a family, and here I am talking about Last Triple to you. And the only thing which I would want to talk before my ending speech is that please don't be reluctant, always be shameless. And always be shameless to ask for help, ask for support, ask for everything when it comes to your baby, because always treat your startup like a girlfriend. Because if your girlfriend, if your real life girlfriend is letting go of you, your startup will never let go of you, because it's your baby, it's your girlfriend. So please make sure that you give enough love, enough care to your startup. And I end my speech.
Thank you, Mr. Pramod, for making time and coming here against all odds and sharing about your girlfriend. Very interesting and successful story, and I'm sure it was quite nostalgic for you to go away from the podium, and really wish you the best. Wish you more and more success your way.